Good morning, guys. This is Phil with XLR8 Roofing and Construction. I'm at a house out here in Deltona. A customer had a hailstorm middle of last week, so they called our office, asked us to come out and just give them a free inspection and take a look at the roof. Upon the inspection, we found a significant amount of hail damage on the roof. So we have an insurance adjuster meeting this afternoon. So what I did is to come a little bit earlier, mark the spots. We had a little bit of rain since the last time I marked the spots, but I want to make sure that we're prepared for when the insurance adjuster gets here. This customer in particular, they're asking for a roofing contractor to come out and do the inspection. Highly unusual, but some insurance companies do that. So I'd like to meet with them out here just to make sure that we have good documentation. I'll videotape the process just in case we have any issues moving forward with the insurance company. It's just something that we do to protect the homeowners. We like to just have someone out here while the inspection is happening. This is what the insurance companies are looking for. They really want to see a certain amount of hits in any given area. So as you can see, we've got a bunch of hail impact marks here on the roof. I marked off a 10-foot by 10-foot section. We have almost 18 hits in this one area right here. That's pretty typical for a hailstorm. Usually it doesn't have marks all over the roof. It's just specifically certain slopes. So it looks like this storm came in kind of from the East Coast. As you can see, if we get a little bit closer here, you can see what some of these impact marks look like. And it leaves a little pitch mark in the roof. And eventually that will take all the granules off of your roof, and your roof will start to leak. You can see there's a bunch more hail impact marks. And then I did another test square over here. 15 to 20 hits over in this area as well. So I just always like to have good documentation for our customers, see if we can help them out. That way if the insurance company is interested in seeing any of our pictures in our videos, we have some good documentation to show them. So this is Phil with XLR8 Roofing. We'll wait for our adjuster and we'll update again.